Welcome to the Expo. When I talk about commercial real estate and kind of bring people into this world of commercial real estate, usually the way you get started is by going through what I call the 3 phases of commercial real estate investing. A lot of people are starting as phase 1 investors. They're just getting started. And there's things you can do if you're just getting started, even with no money, even with no experience, to make money when you're just getting started. There's a number of ways that you can get fees. Finder's fees, funders fees, what are called KP fees, and other fees. So you can literally earn while you learn when you get started. Now, once you have more money than you need to pay your bills, you're going to want to make money with your money. And I'm going to tell you, wealthy people don't really invest in the stock market. That's public equity. Wealthy people invest in private equity. What is private equity? Not publicly traded stocks, but privately traded securities. And the most popular of those are commercial real estate syndications. Why? Because on average, we're talking averages, on average, commercial syndications offer twice the return on average of the stock market with less risk. So if somebody discovers there's something out there that has twice the return and half the risk, they never go back to the stock market. My experience is that financial advisors hate commercial real estate. And the reason they despise commercial real estate syndications is because every time their clients learn about it, they lose 100% of their clients. Because nobody goes back to the stock market once they realize there's things that they can control and have more insight into and get a bigger return of. Okay? The problem with the stock market is pure speculation. Yes, usually you do make money in the stock market. So I don't have a problem with the stock market. It's not a stupid thing to do because people do make money investing in the stock market. But the problem I have with the stock market is insider trading is illegal. In real estate, insider trading is advised. I don't invest in something unless I can look at the books. I can meet the investors. I know everything about that business before it even gets started. I know exactly what the plan is, and there's no secrets. It's all known to all the investors, right? And I only invest in things that I understand with people that I know. And then finally, we have the phase 3 investor, and that is the general partner. That is the sponsor. That's the person who's the quarterback for the deal, or the team that is the quarterback for the deal. That's the guy who's putting these deals together and making the $1 million plus a year. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. I actually participate in all 3 of these. I do all 1, 2, and 3 all at the same time. If you have some money, you can go right to phase 2, even not knowing anything. You can start to invest in commercial syndications using your IRA, using money you have in the stock market, using money you have in the bank.
I want you to take that opportunity today for you to learn that as well, that you can change the trajectory of your financial right now, not tomorrow, not in 2000, God knows what, but you can change that right now by taking action. Click on the link in the comments below, and we're going to share all the information that we'll share with me that I am just in passing today because it did transform my life, and I want you to be able to transform your life as well. Yes, you wanted to have a boss, you love your career. I used to love all that as well, but now I can tell you I am much, much more in love with the fact that I changed my life, my kids' life, and everyone that is surrounding me daily.